Hi everyone, and welcome to our tech series for childcare business owners. Today, we're going to explore how to use Google Business Profiles to enhance your childcare business's online presence. By the end of this video, you'll understand what Google Business Profiles are, why they're important, how to create and manage your page, and how to use reviews and other features to increase your visibility. Today, we're going to be discussing what Google Business Profiles are, how to create your Google Business Profile, and other features that you can use. Google Business Pages are free online listings provided by Google that allow businesses to manage their presence across Google Search and Google Maps. Often, when you Google a business, a section will come up with the business's information like address, hours of operation, contact information, and a link to their website. This is a Google Business page. These pages enable businesses to provide essential information such as their address, phone number, website, hours of operation, and types of services offered. Additionally, businesses can post updates, respond to customer reviews, and upload photos and videos to enhance their listing. To have a page like this for your business, you have to create one yourself. By optimizing a Google Business page, businesses can significantly improve their local search visibility, making it easier for potential customers to find them and get relevant information quickly. This tool is especially valuable for local businesses aiming to attract more customers from their surrounding area. Having a Google Business page is crucial for any business, including childcare centers. It enhances your online presence, making it easier for families to find you when they search for childcare services in your area. A well-maintained profile can increase your visibility in local searches and help you engage more effectively with current and potential families. For example, by keeping your business hours up to date, you ensure that families know when you are open and available. Posting regular updates about events, new services, or changes in your business can keep your community informed and engaged. Responding to customer reviews, whether it's positive or negative, shows that you value feedback and are committed to improving your services. Uploading photos and videos of your facility can give families a virtual tour, helping them feel more comfortable and familiar with your center before they even visit. Google Business Pages is a great tool that can help you increase your business's visibility, engage with the community, and attract new families. It's a simple and effective way to manage your online presence and ensure that when families are searching for childcare services, your center stands out. Creating a Google page is simple. First, go to the Google Business Profile website at google.business.com. Sign in with your Google account or create one if you don't already have one. It's free and very easy to do. After you create your account or sign in, you'll be directed to enter some information about your business. Follow the prompts to create your business page. Enter your business name and address, choose your business category, and add your contact details and website. Finally, be sure to verify your business to complete the setup, and so your profile is allowed to be visible to others. After you set up your Google Business Profile, you will land on this homepage. Reviews play a significant role in your online reputation. Regularly monitor the reviews on your Google Business page. You can see the reviews of your business by clicking Read Reviews. Respond promptly to both positive and negative reviews to show that you value feedback and are committed to improving your services. Encourage satisfied parents to leave positive reviews by sending follow-up emails or providing links to your review page. To increase your visibility, optimize your Google Business page. Complete all the profile fields with accurate and up-to-date information. Add high-quality photos and videos of your childcare center to attract more views. Regularly post updates about your programs, events, and any special offers to keep your profile active and engaging. Google Business Pages offer additional features that can benefit your childcare business. Enable the booking feature to allow parents to schedule tours or meetings directly from your profile. Use the Messages feature to answer inquiries in real time. Take advantage of the Performance section to view insights and track how customers find your business and interact with your profile. Creating and maintaining a Google business page is a powerful way to enhance your online presence and attract new families to your childcare business. It's free, easy to set up, and provides numerous benefits for your business. Start today and see the positive impact it can have on your childcare operations.